Hello, welcome to Level Up Phonics. In this video, we are going to see how to teach cursive writing. So, first we will start with curves. Go up, come down, take a curve. Go up, take a curve and come down. Go up, take a curve and come down. Go up, take a curve, come down. And with this curve, we can write the letter C and letter D. And one more curve is there. Go up, come down and take a curve. Go up, come down. Like this. Continue. Go up, come down. So with this curve, we can write letter A, letter O, letter G and letter Q. And these are loops. In loops, go up, come down, take a loop. Go up, come down, take a loop. Go up, come down, take a loop. So with this loop, we can write letter E. And one more, go up, come down. Go up, come down. Go up, come down. Go up, come down. And this loop is also called upper loop. With this loop, we can write the letters letter B, letter H, letter K, letter L. And one more is there. Come down, go up, take a loop. Come down, take a loop and go up. Come down, go up. Come down, go up. So with this, we can write the letter J, Y and F. And this is also known as lower loop. And one more, these are strokes. These strokes we can write come down, go up. Come down, go up. Go up, come down. Go up, come down. Go up, come down. So with this, we can write the letter U, letter V, W, Z. And one more stroke. Come down, go up. Continue like this. Come down, go up. Come down, go up. So if we introduce these strokes, it will be very easy for the child to start the cursive writing. With this stroke, we can write letter N and letter M. And one more stroke. Go up, come down. 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 With this, we can write the letter S and R. So these are curves, loops and strokes. Now we will see the letters in cursive writing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe for receiving more details. Thank you so much for watching.